Hey guys! If you have been wondering how to use our AX310 with voice mode, then you're at the right place. Today, we will see how you can set up your AX310 to work with voice mode for both single mix and dual mix. Before we dive into the audio routing section, let's see how to set up voice mode widgets on AX310. First, please download Voicemod from their official website. Then, download voice mode widget for AX310 from our Creator Central widget store, for which the link is listed in the description. On your Creator Central app, click on Settings and Import Widgets. Browse to the file you just downloaded and import the widget. The installation might take a while, and once the installation is complete, the voice mode widget will appear on your widget section. Now, let's set up the audio routing. Single mix. Single mix mode is to use voice mode just for streaming with OBS and without using it for party chat, for example, Discord. Please open voice mode and select chat mic as your input source and chat as your output device. As for the OBS scene setup, please add an audio input capture source into your scene and select Voicemod virtual audio device as the device. Lastly, if you would like to monitor your sound with the voice mode effects applied, please turn off the audio monitor in Creator Central and turn on Voicemod's widgets here myself. That's how you configure how to set up voice mode with AX310 in single mix mode. Now, let's take a look at how to set that up in dual mix mode. Dual mix. Dual mix mode is meant to help you use your real voice and voice mode filter voice at the same time. This gives you the extra customizability to pick and choose which apps use which voice. First, please open voice mode and select chat mic as your input source and chat as your output device. Next, for the OBS scene setup, please add two audio input capture sources into scene. For the first audio input capture source, please select Voicemod virtual audio device as your device. As for the other audio input capture source, please select Audience Mix as your device. Now, head to Creator Central and mute your mic sound in Audience Mix to make sure the voice in the streaming is only your sound with voice mode effects. As for the in-game chat mic, you should select Voicemod virtual audio device. Depending on your preference, when using other instant messaging social platforms, for instance Discord, you can select chat mic as your input, which will be your real voice. Please note that in this situation, your Discord friends will not hear any audio samples you play using voice mode. If you prefer to use your voice with voice mode effects applied on your Discord, you can instead select voice mode virtual audio device as your Discord mic input. As for monitoring your own voice, if you would like to monitor your sound with the voice mode effects applied, please turn off the audio monitor in Creator Central and turn on Voicemod's widget here myself. And that is how you set a voice mode with AVerMedia AX310. Now we are all set up to produce an enjoyable streaming session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance setting this up, please contact us at our support page.